Leatherman has been setting the standard for multi-tools since the 1980s, and no list would be complete without one of their icons. The Leatherman Free P2 is the result of decades of refinement, built around Leatherman's innovative free technology, which allows true one-handed operation for all its tools. Sitting as a slimmer, lighter alternative to the beefier P4, the Free P2 balances portability and versatility. Closed, it measures 4.25 inches long, 1.3 inches wide, 0.65 inches thick, and weighs just 7.6 ounces, compact enough for everyday carry, but still packing 19 total tools. It also features Leatherman's magnetic locking system, keeping everything secure when folded, while still opening smoothly with a flick of the wrist. At around $130, the Free P2 is built in the USA from tough stainless steel, finished with dot-textured scales for grip and a removable pocket clip. Like all Leatherman tools, it comes with their 25-year warranty, making it a long-term investment in utility. Tool access is where the Free P2 shines. All folding tools are accessible from the outside, meaning you don't need to open the pliers first. On the left side, you'll find a 2.76-inch 420HC combo blade, a bottle opener Phillips driver combo, and a pry tool package opener. On the right, there's a set of spring-loaded scissors, a metal wood file with flathead tip, a 25mm ruler with another driver, a can opener, and a wire stripper. Flip it open, and the pliers come into play, complete with needle nose and regular jaws, replaceable wire hardwire cutters, and a wire crimper. Everything locks into place with Leatherman's intuitive system, and unlocking is just as easy with a simple thumb press. While the Free P2's one-handed operation can be a little polarizing, it's hard to deny the convenience. For those who want a slimmer, more pocket-friendly multi-tool with quick single-hand access, the Leatherman Free P2 is our top pick for EDC one-handed utility.